Hello. This is the first time in a while I have recorded a video of me for YouTube. So, yeah, I don't have a lot to talk about other than the fact that I ended up buying my first pair of sweatpants in a long time. That's something. Oh, yeah, sometime in the week prior, back sometime in the month of September, I bought this. It's apparently a jet from the Top Gun movie. I think it might be Maverick. I'm not sure. I think that's from Maverick, the Top Gun movie. Yeah. I saw the first and second Top Gun movie where they had this robot jet in it that had only one function, flying really fast. It's kind of sad, actually. All this awesome technology and all this wasted potential. Like, what the heck? It's like making a Pez dispenser, like this Botsmaru Pez dispenser here. Yeah, it says Pez right there on the side. There, Pez. Can't really see it because it's backward. They do it on purpose. See, Pez. Yeah, it's backwards. That's okay though. So this is Pez. See, Pez. Looks like Zap, but I swear it's Pez. Having a dispenser like that doesn't dispense Pez. I mean, seriously, it'd be like opening the thing up like this, like pushing up on the bottom, like you would if this thing was fresh, which this thing isn't. Old, like hella old. Anyway, shouldn't have done that. Yeah, it's like creating a Pez dispenser that doesn't dispense Pez. So, sorry for that tangent. I just felt like it was worth it. Yeah, people may at some point have noticed me drinking bottles of water with Mio in it a lot. I am not sponsored by Mio. I like the product. I may have talked about it a lot, to be honest, because it's a good product. It comes in a wide variety of flavors, like I've previously mentioned: berry, citrus, tropical, fruit punch. There's a tea flavor, comes in flavors with or without caffeine, like the tea flavor does not have caffeine in it. I have discovered that on my own by drinking the sweet tea straight, nothing else. I had sugar syrup, just plain syrup. I'd add to it every now and again to make the tea sweet. But because of the fact that my dad's a diabetic, the only sweet thing I can have in this house is frosting. Can't drink frosting. I've tried making it work. It just doesn't work. Not to say that it couldn't work at some point somehow. I don't know. Syrup's kind of like a frosting in that regard. You can drink some of them, but not maple. I wouldn't do that. Although in a milkshake, like a praline milkshake that's like chopped up pecans with brown sugar in there, some some vanilla ice cream, some milk. It's actually pretty good. Kind of chunky though, but it tastes like a maple pancake. I did it one time. I added malt in there. I did it between glasses at the time. So yeah, thank you for listening to my long monologue about life. You know, mine particularly. So yeah, stay illuminated.